Yo, what's up, unicorns? All right, today we're going to be going over, not actually going over anything. We're going to be doing a UI thing. We're just going to build a couple of screens, just some simple like login stuff. We're going to make some buttons. We're going to make a bottom sheet, some inputs, an image in there. I'm not making the image. You know what? I do have a bunch of photos, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just pull in some generic photos. But, yeah, we're gonna just do some UI design. What do you guys think about that? Is that something I haven't done before? I wish I could do this as a live stream one of these days, but too much pressure. Too much pressure. Let me cut some stuff out because I know my wife is at Orange Theory. She might call me, so I'm gonna have to ignore her. Sorry, babe. Sorry. But anyways, let's get into it. Let's try this out. We might have to record this a couple times. I don't know, but I'm shooting this on Ecamm Live, so I got a few things. I'm gonna be switching some views here and there. So we're gonna see how this works. So this is basically an ultimate test on this software and how it holds up. But I just want to try it out. So let's get into it. Alrighty. Oh, I'm still muted? What? Am I still muted? Okay, I'm not muted anymore. All right, guys, let's actually play some tunes. Let's play some copyright-free tunes. Let's get into the mood here. Let's get into the mood. Let me see what I got. Yeah, y'all hear that? All right. Let's jump into Figma real quick. Boom, we here. All right, so we're gonna try to get this done pretty quick. So we're gonna make some buttons here, some SSO, single sign up, and we're gonna make some just regular button. And we're gonna make a bottom sheet, inputs, an image, and all we're doing is making just a login. That's super simple, right? Everybody can do that. All right, so I got some stuff already pre-made. So I got some colors in here, I got some fonts in here, got some of these logos in here and icons. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So for the yo, I gotta get some water real quick. Hold up. Yo, fam. My throat be itching right now. I don't know if it's allergies. Something like that. Man, what is this bottle is like? That's so tight. Alright. Tighten it up. Hey, yo, I'm not editing any of this. I'm not editing any of this. I'm treating this like a live stream. That's the wrong way. Come on, cuz. All right, we're gonna have to go through like 4 songs for this. All right, let's just make some quick buttons. So I already got the sign up with Facebook thing. So let's go ahead and just make that. So let's pull this in. Let's take this. Let's actually let's move that over here. It's all my way. All right, we're gonna take this. We're gonna do. I have to skip. That's good. Man, that song was so short. Let's do another one. All right, let's try this one. All right, whatever. Let's do Shift A, auto layout. Let's take that. Let's center it. Actually, let's center it this way. What are we thinking? 8. That sounds good. I don't want this song. Here we go. Hey. All right, let's do our padding around this thing. Let's do 14, 8. We're gonna adjust this, of course, because we don't want it to look crazy. We definitely want it to fit into here. What is that? 52? I don't want to be 52. Let's do 12. That's okay. 48's kind of big. Let's do 10. Let's break some laws here. Yo, it's our world. We do what we want. All right, we do what we want to do. All right, this is at 44. Let's give it a radius of like 8. And if we're gonna cheat a little bit, we're gonna come in here. We're gonna do a fill. Boom. Not that. Do a fill. We're gonna just select this. We're gonna copy that. Boom. And then next we're going to give it like a little shadow. Little shadow. Little drop shadow. Let's do like say 1, like 2. Let's try to do 15. Nothing too crazy, just a little something. And then we're gonna make this white, of course. So we're just gonna come here, pop that on. What do you guys think of this button? Cool, right? We're gonna put that. Well, we want our button to go all the way across. And actually, we're gonna just make this one button once, and then we're gonna just use auto layout to replace some things. So I wanna go 16. Actually, I think it's 344. I use this. No, that's a huge one. 344. I actually use this screen size a pretty good bit. So actually, no, I don't use it. Okay, not 344. We need one more pixel. Let's do 343. I was close. Look, I was close, man. Don't get it twisted. I was close. So 16. Boom. We're gonna do 40 from the bottom, actually. And let's make one of those things too. Let's take this. Let's make it like 5. Around the corners, center it. I don't know exactly the size of this thing here. I'm pretty sure it's not that good. I'm pretty sure it's not that big. Let's make it a little bit smaller, actually. Like a grab handle. Let's make it just a little bit smaller. Let's do 130. We're gonna center that. We're gonna get like 12 from the bottom. We'll just do 12. Who cares? So that's sort of the button that I want to make, and so I'm gonna just do that same process with the Google and Apple one. So I'm just gonna take a copy of this, bring it over here. I'm gonna take my Apple one, replace it. Boom, you gotta love you some auto layout. Take this. Boom. Actually, let's do a darker color. More of an Apple-esque. I don't want to go not full black. That looks legit. Cool. And let's make another one. Oh, we need some more music. Look, man, y'all need to send me a playlist, okay? Send me a playlist of some music that I can just play, because I don't want to get copyrighted. All right, let's try this one out. What song is this? We'll try that one. Sounds good. I need like a longer song. All right, back to it. Zoom in. All right. So for this one, we're gonna take the Google one. Take that. Make this Apple. Make this Google. Yo, like this is the beautiful thing about having auto layout. You make one button, you can make a million buttons. All you have to do is just replace a couple items, and you're good to go. So for my Google one, I'm gonna go. I want to go actually white. So I'm gonna change this to 6 Fs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit that. We still got our border radius on there, but I want to change it this color to this color, and I want to put a border on it. Put a little stroke, like a one pixel stroke. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna use this lighter color here. Cool. Look how simple and fast that was, guys. We literally made 3 buttons that fast. Look at that. That was so quick. That was like nothing. And you know what else we're gonna do? We're gonna make a 4th button, but this button's gonna be for email. move these up. Let me take, actually, I'm gonna take this one. Boom. Actually, I'm gonna take this over here. Ooh, not that. Take this. Oh my gosh, why is it doing that? Okay. Take that, because I want to use some of these other unicorns colors. So I'm gonna take sign with. Actually, it's gonna be sign up. Email. I could pull it. Let me see if I can pull in a email icon. And these icons are hero cons, so I'm gonna pull in just the email icon here. Should we go with outline or solid? You know what? I like solid. Let's go with that. And what size is this? This is 24. We're gonna make, yes, it's also 24. Boom. Bob's your uncle, bro. And that's done. And then we're gonna just say we need to go back, and actually we're gonna just make the background this. Yo, what's up with these tunes? All right, we're gonna go add some more music. This is a good song. I don't know what it is. We're gonna make this white. Perfection. And then we're gonna do the same thing with this one. We're gonna make it, we're gonna break that. Why did it do that? We're gonna make this also white. Boom, look at that beautiful button. That button Kurt. That button Kurt. All right, we're gonna take our things here. Actually, we're gonna do auto lay on these. Shift A. We're gonna take that group. Shift it. We're gonna center it to the actual frame. We're using actual iPhone 13 mini here. I thought I chose a bigger one, but anyways, that's what we're using for this. And we're gonna do auto layout. Let's do 16 spacing, and then we're gonna say sign up. Sign up. Is sign up one word or two words? Yo, y'all help me out. Help me out in the chats, in the comments, all that jazz. Anyways, cool. We're gonna bring this down. I want it to be like, let's go 32 from the bottom. There we go. And how I'm doing that is I'm just holding this, and I'm holding down Option, and I'm just hovering. So you hold down Option, and you hover. You can see the spaces in between your elements, between different elements. So here I can see the space in between the edges here. And so that's it. And then for this other page, this is gonna be the page where you're gonna decide whether or not you wanna log in or sign up. So same thing, I'm just gonna steal this button. And that's why I put sign up with, because we want the user to be able to sign up with any one of these 4 options. It's a lot of options, but we're gonna do, we're gonna take this out, delete that. We're gonna do sign up. Okay, and then we need to do another button with login, boom, what is that? Okay, 16, but we don't want our buttons to be exactly the same. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a secondary button for this one, and all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make an outline but purple. And I'm gonna do a purple letters. Okay, great. Actually, I'm gonna take the outlines off of this. I don't need a stroke on that. And also the same one here, I'm gonna take that outline off. Yeah, we need more music. All right, let's listen to this next song. I need my camera to focus. Yo, camera, look at me. Look at me. Focus, bruh. We here, we good? All right, Cannon. Let's try this one. Oh, that's my intro. We can play that. Might be very confusing. Like, why are you playing an intro? Let's not play that one. That sounds like the intro. All right, let's get rid of this outline. Actually, let's bring that back and let's make it purple. Purple. We're gonna take the inside of this and just make it white. Boom. Bob's your uncle. Boom. Now we have a primary button and a secondary button. We want users to sign up, so that's our primary action. And this is not gonna be a bottom sheet. This is just gonna be a regular thing, because like what I wanted is user taps on this, a bottom sheet will pop up, and then you'll be able to sign up that way. Cool. All right, so we made our buttons. So we're gonna be able to see if we can strike that out. Boom, buttons made. Now we need to make our bottom sheet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit R. I'm gonna make a box here. Okay, I'm gonna make a box, and I want my top radiuses to be like 14, I think. 14, I think that's what iOS has. 14. And I want to make, I'm just going to break it. Remember, send it to the back. So I'm going to do Shift Command, what is this? Left curly brace. Let me just show you. So it's Shift Command left curly brace. Oh, not that. Not that. Which one is it? Is it the back? Is it Shift? Is it Option Command? Yes, Option Command. So Shift Command curly brace takes you out of the program. Option Command curly left, not curly brace, but bracket. It's the same shit, yo. It's either curly brace or bracket. Either one of those. Use that button. Just use that button. It's gonna send that to the back, and it's the same thing if you do Command, not Shift, Command Option right curly brace or bracket. It brings it to the front. So front and back, and you can also just right click. Let's try to do some shortcuts. You can just right click, and you can just I think it's right here. You can send to back, send the front, whatever you want to do. But that's how I do it. It also goes back to how I used to do it when I was like working in like Photoshop and stuff. Anyways, let's scroll down here. Boom. Let's change this. This is gonna be white, by the way, but I do want to make sure that it's colored so we can kind of see it. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna put an image behind this. Then that's it. All right. Yo, music. Look, man, it's hard being a DJ and a designer. I tell you that much. It's difficult. All right, what other song? I'm running out of music. I don't have that many songs, player. This might be a silent one. All right, what's this one? We'll try that one. All right, so what I want to do is I want to add an X icon so users can go back to this page just in case. So let's just get this X icon here. This is also part of the hero cons. I did not make these. Don't need to make these. This is also 24 by 24. And then we're going to do, what we want? 16, 1, 2. And then 16 from the top too as well. And then I want to bring these up because I think I want to have this be 24 from the bottom, I think. Let me think. Yeah, they're going to do 24. 28, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so we got 1, 2, 3. So we got 16, 16, and we got 25. Let's highlight both of these. Just hit once so we can go down 1 pixel. So now I think we're giving you 24, 16, 16. Cool. So that way users can go back. And also we need to put in some text here. Sign up with these here. Sign up with these. Actually, I'm gonna put sign up with these. All right, we're gonna put sign up with these. We're gonna center that. We're gonna take this. We're gonna center that too. We're gonna actually center this to the actual doc, to the actual page there. Man, my eyes itching. I think I got allergies, guys. You know it's almost winter time, but jeez. All right, so let's take this. Let's line it up with what we got. Here. This is also 24 pixels tall, so I need to line it up with that. Make sure it's 16. We're gonna center that. Cool. Sign up with. Actually, I misspelled with. It's supposed to be wit. Sign up with these. All right, so we got sign up with these. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this. We're going to just bring it all the way down to the bottom. This gray is, I'm going to get this a little bit lighter gray. But it's still going to be white. All right, so we made our bottom sheet. We made our buttons. We made a bottom sheet. Boom. We made a button. And we need to bring, actually, I don't know why I have inputs. I guess I'm going to do a login screen. I guess I can do a login screen. Let's break a login. Okay, cool. So now we're gonna make a quick little input. So what we could do is we could basically just, you know, do a super simple rectangle here. We'll make that 44, the same height as this, which is great. We can also make it 3, 4, 3. This is gonna be a super simple thing. 3, 4, 3. Okay, great. We're gonna do radius of 8, and then we're gonna take one of these because we already have them, and this is gonna be 24. We're gonna do it 8 from the top from this. We're gonna move it to the edge there. We're gonna say name. Okay, great. And then what we could probably do, if we really want to, we could put, we could make this input a really light gray, like a F2, 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 F2. You could go that route so that when it sits on there, it looks like this. Or we could go the route of just having it be white. We can go 6 Fs. Yo, somebody hurt this DJ. This DJ's not working. Yo, DJ. All right, we're running out of music. We could do this too. We could come here, put a stroke on it. Put a little strokey. What's the colors of these? These are some nice little stroke colors. But let's use one of the colors from over here. Okay, let's try this. Let's go back to this. Let's do a little this here. Outline. We can do that. Okay, great. Now we have a little input. We can do the same thing. Take the name. Make it 8 from there. Okay, great. Boom. So you got an input. Very simple. Doesn't have to be anything too crazy. I kind of like the white one because, you know, this one kind of looks like you're not supposed to do anything in it. But let's add in some other text too, just so we can kind of help it out. So we could what we could do instead of doing that, we could just really do this. We could take this button because it's kind of similar, right? Instead of having it be centered, we're gonna bring it all the way to the edge. Make that 8, and then we can change the color. Actually, we're gonna center this. We can change the color of the text to a like a light gray that we have over here, which is, I think, is this one. No, that's too light. Let's try this one. So this is gonna be name here, some shit, right? As like a placeholder thing. We could do another one. Actually, this could just be already. This could already be in there, so we can do Eric, Abram. Then we can do for email. We can do info. Oops. At ugly unicorns. Whatever that was. Ugly unicorns. Bruh, I can't spell my own company name, bro. UGLI unicorns.com. Look, it's late, alright? Don't judge. Alright, we're gonna come here, make that name. We're gonna do full name. And then we're gonna come here. Bro, I keep hitting this wire. Bring that down. Boom. So now we see it like 3 ways, and then we're gonna do email. Things keep shifting on me, bruh. All right, we're gonna just make all those the same. Okay, we got this and this. We're gonna do auto layout of that. We're gonna do auto layout of this. So now these are all the same, and it says 7, but we want them to actually be 8. So we're gonna come here, auto layout, make it 8. Then the same thing with this one. This one says 9. We're gonna make it 8 as well. And then for our input border, our borders right here, we're gonna just come here, take this, we're gonna zoom in. We're just gonna pick this color right here. Boom, and that's how I just made 2 quick inputs. You're like, bruh, how'd you do that? And then we're gonna take those inputs and do auto layout on those. We're gonna put like 16 in between Donezo. So now, what I want to do is I want to take these drop shadows off. Okay, great. So now we have these built, and so what I'm gonna do is gonna put I'm gonna put like login. It won't be login with these. Login here. Here with these. All right, we're gonna do login here with these. What I'm gonna do is gonna take this, and what I have it 24 from here. So I'm gonna delete these. Take this. I'm gonna center these. Make it 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the actually, I'm gonna bring it down. So I got it. What? 32 from here. So what I want to do, I'm gonna just select all these, bring these down, and make sure that I'm like close to. So I'm gonna go down to 3. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm like, okay, 24 from here. Okay, great. We're gonna take this. We're gonna move this up. Call it a day. So now we have our sign up. We have our login. So we made our inputs. Look, this is not groundbreaking, guys. This is just something I'm doing because it's like almost 8 o'clock and I'm tired and just want to make a video. Anyways, yo, my camera still ain't focusing on me, bruh. I'm about to fight this camera. The camera, we about to scrap, bruh. Got to scrap. All right, so last thing we need to do is put in the logo and then this here. But let's actually put in an image. You know what? With the bottom sheet, does it have, you know what? The bottom sheet, dude, it needs a little handle there. Let's make a handle. Let's just take this one. I'm gonna have to rearrange this whole thing. This whole thing, man. Let's shrink that down. Let's say 44. Okay, center that. What's it supposed to be from the top? Let's just try like 8. Okay, that looks like good. That's good enough for government work. I don't really care. So let's put this in here. Ooh, it's actually showing on my phone. And then we're gonna come here. Put 8 again. And that way we can kind of have a handle there. This is also centered. Yes, it is. Okay, great. So now let's see. So now let's bring in an image. Let's take this box here. As you guys notice, it's kind of like some wireframing, right? Just a little bit. I'm just using a couple of gray boxes. Nothing too crazy. You know what I'm saying? I'm do my command again. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna move it first. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna copy this one too. Then I'm gonna take this and move it back. Whoa, did I just delete that? Move it back. I'm gonna take this one, move it back. Bruh, you need to follow directions. Okay, for some reason, when you put a full color background square into Figma, it kind of almost feels like it's its own background. So let's see this. So let's actually click on this. Let's go to a plugin called Unsplash. Let's put in just a random image. It doesn't have to be anything remarkable or even relatable. Did it even come up? Where is it? Here we go. What are we thinking, guys? We're thinking abstract. Abstract look dope. Abstract look cool. Let's put in this abstract one. Let's see what this one does. What's it doing? Is it doing it? Insert. Is it gonna work? Oh, that looks wild, dude. That looks wild. Let's put some people in here, man. Let's go back to I want to put some people in here. People like people. Let's type in like family. I like family. I'm a family. Look at this. This is a great family shot. Does it make sense for what I'm making? I don't know, but I like the negative space that it's providing at the top. So when I put in a logo, it makes sense. And okay, let's actually just use that same one because we thugging it out. You know what would be really cool if you do tap on the different ones, the image in the background changes. So that'd be a cool little experience. So as the thing animates up, it's gonna like darken the background, but also change the image. So let's try this one. We're gonna stick to the whole family thing. Yeah, that first one was lit. It's like almost like an Office family. Yeah, let's try Pops here with these kids. Okay, no, too much. Let's try this one. Okay, no, let's try this one. Yo, it don't get no more perfect than that one I just had. I ain't gonna flex. We about to use the exact same one. Like, yo, man. Oh, this is lit. Let's see. I don't like it either. It's cringy. Just joking. Let's try this one. You can't really see people's faces. This one's okay. You can see heads. I know the kid's head's getting cut off. I don't really like that as much. It's also too bright. I'm trying to go with this moody vibe. Yo, the music's gone. What happened to the music? All right, back on the music. Hope this music's fine. Let's try this one. What Mama doing? Not bad. Try this one. You know what, guys? I'm tired of going through these images. I'm using the same one. I'm making an executive decision. All right, I'm gonna use the exact same freaking image because I live my life on the edge, or I live my life very impatiently. All right, so what we're gonna do now is, well, we added an image, correct? So let's take, our list is pretty much done. And I'm almost pretty much done. How long have we been doing this? 30 minutes. 30 minutes too long. 30 minutes too long. All right, let's jump in this Pony Express. Let's take that, center it, bring it to the top. Look, man, you know what? Life is easy when you just use things that make life easy. We're gonna take that, copy that and paste that, copy and paste that. Now it looks almost sort of realistic. And then we're gonna take this. Gonna throw in our friggin' logo in here. Man, now that I put the logo in there, I can make this smash bigger. Is that too big? What if we did it just white? Let's just do just white. Let's just do this white because why not? Okay, great. Actually, no. Man, I like it pink. Should we? How far do we need to bring it to the top? Right now it's 75. Should we go 80? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Should we go 80 from the top, or should we go, I don't know, 60? Let's do 64 from the top. Let's see what it do. See what it does. Like that. And let's and actually let's do one more thing. Let's make another box here. Let's bring that in. Let's take that and what we're doing is we're adding another layer. We're acting the background in. So I'm gonna take this and this. I'm gonna move that to the, oops, not to the front, but to the back. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna bring this up to the top. Bring this to the bottom. I'm gonna make this a dark color, like this color here, but I'm gonna make it like 60%. Let me see. 60%. Actually, we should make this a little bit darker, dude. What's going on? All right, let's do 60%. All right, there we go. It pops, guys. It pops, guys. All right, one more song. Actually, I like this one. Yeah. Lifestyle of the rich and famous. We're just trying to make it. We just trying to. Yeah. You know how we do. We in them streets all day. Yeah. We just trying to get paid. Yeah. Yo, that's how every rapper starts a song, guys. It's like, yo, yeah, wait, hold on, wait a minute, I ain't ready. Okay, close the door, here we go. That's how they start every song. Why they do that? Bro, we been waiting 5 minutes, bro. Come on, to start rapping already. Shit, come on, man, damn. All right, let's make this way. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom, we're done. I'm tired. Jesus Christ. All right, guys. So, what did we do here today? We did something very, Very, very basic. Nothing too crazy. Hold on. I'm not really filling the space on this. Let's say 3. Let's go one more. Let's do 12. And then we can bring this up a little bit. Let's bring this up. Let's zoom in. 1. Is that too far? Let's actually make it. Let's make it 8 from the top, and we can bring this up. Make this, make it 12. Okay, great. Now I need to figure out this handle here. Is that gonna look off as hell if I do it this way? This is what you do in design, man. You just finagle and finesse, and then you try to make the best experience. And it's fine. I don't care. This could probably be just a little bit closer for more situation. Actually, I think 16 might be too close. We bring that back. I did like how it was lined up, but this does provide a little bit more spacing. So let's just try that with this one. So what we did with this was we made it 8. This is 3. 1, 2, and then we're gonna bring that down. One more, and then this is what we got. 12 from the top here. Let's just bring that up a couple times. Zoom in. I like to zoom in because, you know, math. And so we bring that 12. We got 16. Actually, we're going to bring that up 1 and just do this. Okay, that looks fine. Looks decent to me. This is not centered, so let's center that. Boom, goes to dynamite. So we basically just made a super, oh, you know what we forgot to do? We forgot to make a freaking like next button or sign in button, guys. Like your boy, I knew something was missing because it didn't look right. I was like, man, this don't look right. Let's make this a little bit darker too. Let's just make it this color. Yeah, are these centered? Center these, make sure this is centered. Yep, that was not centered. And then this is not to the bottom. So look, you gotta notice these little details, guys. You gotta notice these little details. And also with the details, let's make these not this, but let's do our purple. Fuck it. Who cares? Who cares? What if we did all the text purple? What if we did that, guy? What if we did that? We made it all purple. What you gonna do? Nothing. This is my design. So let's actually just throw this in auto layout. Okay, that is way too close. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to not do that. I'm gonna take all the hard work I just did and just redo it. Oh my god. I'm gonna take that. I need to unselect this. Oh my god, I'm selecting everything. Let's select these items and bring them up a little bit so I can bring in my button. I'm gonna auto layout this particular thing. I'm gonna center it. I'm gonna make it 20. So do 24. Oops, what did it do? I don't think it did anything. 24. Add a little space, Right now these are 16. Let's take this, bring this down. I knew something was missing. All right, cool. Okay, now it looks normal because at first I was like, yo, son, didn't look off, son. And it looks off again because I got 32 here and I got 26 here. So I'm gonna go to 1, 2, boom. So 32. Actually, I need to not do that because I got all my stuff is like good with this. So 24, 26. Ooh. 24. This is 8. Oh my gosh, everything changed on me. So 8, 1, and then this is 24, 16, and then this needs to be 24 from the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take this, make that 24 from the bottom, select all these, making life difficult as hell, bring them all down. So now it should be good. Now we're good. All right, so what do you guys think? Should we look at what this looks like on a phone? All right, let's try it out. All right, so I'm gonna come in here. Let's see what it looks like on my phone. Let's click on one of these. Oh, look at that. Very simple. That looks nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. It looks fire on my device. Like on my device, it looks pretty damn good. Hopefully you guys can see that. On my device, it looks legit. Let me click on another one. Boom. Yo, that looks legit. Yo, when you guys like make sure that you test your stuff on your device. That way you can kind of see how good it looks. And then the other one, yeah, it looks dope. What am I doing? And then here we go again. Zoom in EA. Zoom in. Yo, this camera is like, nah, we good. So, yeah, that's what it looks like on a device. On my phone, it looks pretty dope. I really want this camera to zoom in on my face. It's not doing it. And then this looks good on this one. Yo, this looks fire, man. This looks fire. I wish I could show you. Oh my gosh. Just zoom in, please. Just do it. Why not? Oh my gosh, forget about it. So that has been the okay, now it wants to zoom in on me. Okay, whatever. It does look pretty good on my phone, I will say. Looks pretty lit. And everything looks pretty lined up too as I look through these on my device. It doesn't look out of place, except for that there's an overlay over here with yo, it's overlaying like crazy. Why is it showing it like that on my phone? Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Look, it's showing the Apple and Facebook logo, and then it's showing the email and Google logo. But when I go back to my design, it's not there. All right, Figma, you're doing something weird. I don't know what you're doing, but these items are not in there. But anyways, guys, that has been the video. I'm gonna go and delete all these so we can kind of just see them. That's been the video. Yeah, let me just close this bad boy out, and hope you guys enjoyed yourself. I have to edit some stuff because this video is long as hell. Anyways, guys, that's been the video. Really hope you enjoyed that one. Just a UI design that I just did for a sign up thing. I did this basically like a place where you go to log in and sign up, and you click on that. A bottom sheet pops up, and you get all the information that you want to put in. You can do Apple sign up, Google, Facebook, or just an email. But if you do click on login, you can do login right there. So hope you guys learned something today. Hope you guys learn how to make a button. Hope you guys learn how to make a bottom sheet. And I hope you guys learned a little something today. And that's it. That's all I wanted to do. Retire and inspire. That's not it. I'm not coming up with anything new. But anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed that one. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube channel. Make sure you go to uglyunicorns.com. Book a whiteboard session with me, book an interview prep, whatever the heck you want to do. Go to uglyunicorns.com and book that. And also go to patreon.com/uglyunicorns. You can get more information like this. You'll get access to all the content that I have here today. You can have access to all these different screens, all these different buttons that I just created today. So you guys can have that going forward in your design work. So I'll put that in one of the tiers. It might be the second tier that gets it. So make sure you guys go over there and do that. But like I always say, guys, don't just be a unicorn. Be an ugly unicorn. Yeah.